Digging spades are made much bigger as they're designed to help you move most material in one go, possibly thanks to the large blade size. Now, I use my digging spade for jobs that require a lot of soil movement. Now, this large spade can adequately dig holes for planting trees, cultivate open borders and clear big spaces, and of course, at the end of the season, clear out the vegetable plots so I can prepare the soil ready for the next growing year. What's great about the digging spade is that AMES have added a comfort step at the top, which is perfect as a foot tread that'll help you provide a good grip and of course pressure to be able to push it right down into the soil. It makes a lot of gardening jobs so much easier. Some good cultivating practices is not to dig when the soil is really sodden. And because once it's sodden, for a start off, it's really hard to work and you have a higher risk of injury, but also it ruins the soil structure. So never dig when it's really soaking wet. This spade will certainly make the task of moving and digging in organic material so much easier, and adding organic material into the soil helps the health of the soil itself, helps the little microorganisms within the soil, and also produces better soil structure for plants to grow. For more information on garden tools and to find your nearest stockist, just follow the link below.